everybody, it is Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center DFW. We are a dealership of part of Vogt RV World. And here at Leisure RV Center, we have the best of both worlds, luxury RVs and adventure vans. Now you're probably wondering, what's the difference and how do I know what's going to best suit my lifestyle of camping? Well, I am here to tell you, so come on and let's go. With a luxury RV, it is all about comfort and space. Think full-size kitchen, so you're gonna have your induction cooktop or just a cooktop. You're gonna have microwave, refrigerator, a lot of storage space, a larger bathroom, and a comfortable, smooth ride for those long distance travels. This is perfect for a couple or families who really wanna take their home on the road. And on the other hand, our adventure vans are designed for the flexibility and for the thrill of the outdoors. They are compact, rugged, and off-grid capable with all the things such as all-wheel drive, full lithium, solar power, your gear garage, higher clearance with some rugged tires and suspension to be able to keep you out there on any types of roads that you decide to go to, whether it's your national parks, off-beaten mountain trails, or the open desert. So if your dream trip is a cross-country road journey with maximum comfort, you'll love our luxury RVs. But if your idea of a good time is chasing trails, finding those hidden campsites, and living off-grid, then an adventure van is what you're looking for. The best part is that whether you're choosing a luxury RV or an adventure van, you're still having the opportunity to unlock the freedom for the open road.